Feather star. Feather stars look like floating feathers. They wave their arms to swim. Sea lily. Sea lilies are like feather stars, but live on stalks. They stay fixed to the seafloor. Deep sea shrimp. These shrimp glow in the dark. They live near deep ocean vents. Pistol shrimp. Pistol shrimp snap their claws. The snap makes bubbles that stun small fish. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimps have rainbow colors. They punch so fast it's like a bullet. Deep sea crab. These crabs have hard shells. They walk sideways along the ocean floor. Yeti crab. Yeti crabs have hairy arms. They wave them to catch food from hot vents. King crab. King crabs are huge with spiny legs. They live in cold, deep waters. Snow crab. Snow crabs have long, thin legs. They scuttle across the sea bottom in groups. Fiddler crab. Fiddler crabs live near sandy shores. Males wave one giant claw like a fiddle. Coral crab. Coral crabs hide in coral reefs. Their shells are colored to blend with corals. Deep sea isopod. These are giant pill bugs of the ocean. They crawl slowly on the deep floor. Amphipod. Amphipods are tiny shrimp-like creatures. They live in sand and seaweed. Krill. Krill are small shrimp-like animals. They are food for whales and fish. Sea spider. Sea spiders have long, thin legs. They suck juices from soft animals. Sea squirt. Sea squirts look like little water bags. They squirt water when touched. Tunicate. Tunicates are relatives of sea squirts. They filter food from the water. Lamprey. Lampreys are eel-like with round mouths. They suck on fish like little vampires. Remora. Remoras have suction heads. They stick to sharks and turtles for a free ride. Cleaner fish. Cleaner fish pick off parasites. Big fish let them clean their scales and teeth.